set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online.